India has just taken another big step towards building its own chip industry. And this time, the next chapter is being written in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Before we take a deeper dive into the story, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Now that you have, let's get straight into it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has virtually laid the foundation stone for HCL-Foxconn semiconductor manufacturing facility. The project is being developed by India Chip Private Limited. It is a joint venture between HCL and Foxconn and will come up inside the Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority at Chewar in Greater Noida. Now, the plant brings together two companies with decades of experience in electronics and manufacturing. HCL, which is one of India's oldest technology companies, and Foxconn, of course, the world's largest electronics contract manufacturer. Now, according to the government, the project is part of India's larger effort to move beyond electronics assembly and become a producer of strategic technologies. Now, you might ask, why do these chips matter in the first place? India has designed chips for global companies, but manufactured very few of them. Now, the country wants to change that. Prime Minister Modi said that India is working simultaneously on both the software and the hardware front. And building a complete semiconductor ecosystem is essential to making the country self-reliant in chip manufacturing. He also said that India is moving rapidly towards becoming a developed nation. The Prime Minister said Uttar Pradesh is steadily emerging as one of India's major semiconductor hubs. According to him, the HCL-Foxconn project will strengthen the state's identity as a technological powerhouse. He contrasted that with Uttar Pradesh's past. A state that was once associated with crime and migration is now increasingly being identified with expressways and defense corridors, and of course, the upcoming Jewar International Airport. And now semiconductor manufacturing, of course. For the government, this reflects the impact of what it calls the double-engine government. Prime Minister Modi described the current decade as India's tech decade. He said that the work India does in technology today will become the foundation of the country's strength throughout the 21st century. He also referred to the recently concluded India AI Impact Summit 2026. Now, according to him, the world witnessed India's artificial intelligence capabilities and appreciated the country's vision for artificial intelligence. PM Modi made yet another important point. He said that Made in India chips will become the backbone of a Viksit Bharat, powering sectors ranging from AI and 6G to defense and electric vehicles. According to the Prime Minister, electronics manufacturing has grown sixfold over the last 11 years. The country's mobile manufacturing has expanded 28 times, and the mobile phone exports have surged by an astonishing 100 times. Union Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw highlighted how dramatically India's electronics industry has evolved. The sector produces electronics worth around rupees 12 lakh crore. Electronics has also become India's third largest export sector, and UP has emerged as one of the biggest contributors to that very growth. The new semiconductor plant in Noida is expected to manufacture around 3 crore 60 lakh chips. Let that number sink in. Vaishnaw also highlighted India's growing AI leadership. He said that the India AI Impact Summit 2026 attracted participation from 118 countries and organizations, and 86 countries signed and endorsed the New Delhi Declaration on AI Impact. Beyond electronics, he also announced that Uttar Pradesh has received rupees 20,000 crore for railway development under the Union Budget 2026-27. Now, countries across the world are racing to secure semiconductor production because chips now sit at the center of economic growth and national security. India wants, of course, to become one of those countries producing the chips. Projects like HCL-Foxconn facility represent yet another step towards that ambition. For years, India's technology story was dominated by software. Today, the country wants to become just as important in hardware. The question is, can projects like HCL-Foxconn semiconductor plant help India move beyond software leadership and become one of the world's most trusted destinations for chip manufacturing? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIF.